Hi, my name is Wahid and we are at Woodfire Kabob restaurant in Laguna Hills, California. Here at Woodfire Kabob restaurant, we have Mediterranean food, which is like kebabs. We have different kebab like chicken kebab, shish kebab, lamb kebab, and my favorite is rack of lamb. Today, we got a window sticker from LED screens. I already had the screen from LED screen for inside of the restaurant. Then I thought it's gonna be a very good idea to advertise for the customers outside. So my restaurant is faced to the freeway and to the parking lot of the mall, and I wanted to get attraction from the cars that they passing. When people pass by the restaurant, they can get the idea what we serve inside, and we can advertise with the picture, with the emotion. We can say what we do inside. When people pass by the restaurant, they're saying it looks like Hollywood or Las Vegas, and this is exactly what I want. The picture quality looks so nice. It's like a LED TV. Even though we have big lights in the parking lot, it doesn't even affect it. So it's super easy to install it. If you follow up the instruction, it just takes about 3 to 4 hours. It's looked like a magic. People, when they pass, they put few minutes to figure out how this picture is on the window. Since I got very good comments from my customers, I'm planning to get all my windows covered with window stickers from LED screen and make tons of advertising on my windows.
Elite Screens. Get the big picture.